She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So hey friends, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have this Ecotric bike and I love it. I have been riding this thing all over the place. I've got hundreds of miles on it. Well, recently I found out there's a slight problem. So I started having a slow leak in the back tire. Well, let me show you. In order to replace that back tire, all of that stuff has to be taken off. And I get the chain, that's not a big deal, but the motor and all of those parts and pieces have to come off to get that bike tire off. So since I'm not very mechanically inclined, I thought I would take it to a bike shop. So I ran into a little problem. I live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so I started calling around to bike shops, places that sell e-bikes and service e-bikes. Well, guess what? None of them will touch this Ecotric. They will only service either bikes that they sell or certain brands of motors. And I remember they said Bosch was one of them. I can't remember what else. But they will not service this. They won't even fix a flat tire. So I reached out to Ecotric. I emailed them and they didn't respond for a while. I went on their Facebook page and messaged them, and they actually did respond the next day to that. And I just asked them if they could guide me on where I could take it to get a tire patched. And they said, "We don't service those." And that was their words. That was it. That's all they had to say. So I emailed them back and I said, well, I get that. I mean, it's a California company. I'm in Texas. I get that they don't. That's not a big deal. Where can I take it? And they said, oh, take it to a bike shop. Okay, so if anybody knows of a bike shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that will touch this Ecotric, would you please let me know, because I need my flat tire fixed. So if nothing else, I guess I will just take lots of pictures, watch a few videos, and take that tire off myself and hope for the best. But I was really kind of disappointed in that. So I will be thinking about that the next time I buy an e-bike, which probably won't be terribly long. I've just about killed this one, honestly. But I think that next time I'm going to buy local, if that makes sense. So at least I'll know that somebody can service it if something like that goes wrong. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I love this bike. I really hope that I can just get the tire repaired and have many, many more happy miles on it, but we shall see. I'll let you know how that goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Y'all stay lost, my friends. And yeah, watch where you buy your e-bike. Pay attention to details. Well, I ran into a little problem. It's called the wind.